Hello friends, welcome back. Now in this tutorial I'm going to give you a quiz. So it is my personal advice that after studying from these tutorials you should attempt these quizzes also. This is the first quiz on this computer network, right? So let us start the first question. The first question is, physical addressing is the responsibility of. First option is physical layer, second is network layer, third is session layer, and fourth is data link layer. So the answer of this question is D, right? Data link layer, right? The physical addressing is the responsibility of data link layer. Now the next question is, which layer is responsible for process to process delivery of the entire message? Now here there are four options: transport layer, data link layer, network layer, and application layer. So the correct answer is A, transport layer, right? Transport layer is responsible for process to process delivery of the entire message. Now the next question, address resolution protocol. First option A is used for error control, B is it is used for flow control, C is it is used to find the physical address of the node when its internet address is given, and D is it is used to find the internet address of the node when its physical address is known. So the correct answer is C, right? This address resolution protocol, it is used to find the physical address of the node when its internet address is known. Now the fourth question is, in TCPIP protocol suite, which protocol is not defined at transport layer? Option A is ICMP, option B is TCP, option C is UDP, and option D is ARP. So the correct answer is D, ARP, right? So this ARP, this protocol is not defined at transport layer in TCP/IP protocol suite. Now the fifth question is, in TCP/IP protocol suite, ARP and RARP are defined at which layer? So here there are four options. Option A is transport layer, option B is network layer, option C is data link layer, and option D is physical layer. So the correct answer is option B, network layer. So in TCP/IP protocol suite, ARP and RARP are defined at network layer. Now another question is the port addresses. Here we have four options: the address of sender computer, the address of receiver computer, and the address of intermediate node, and the address of process. So the correct answer is D, the address of a process. So the port address is the address of a process. Now the next question is, the frequency of a signal depends on the transmission medium. We have to find out whether this statement is true or false. So this statement is false, right? The frequency of a signal is independent of the transmission medium. It does not depend on the transmission medium. Frequency of a signal does not depend on the transmission medium. Now another one is, this statement is given to us and we have to find whether it is true or false. The wavelength of a signal is independent of the transmission medium. Now the answer is false, right? The wavelength of a signal is dependent on the transmission medium. It is not independent of the transmission medium, right? So